Hey besties, welcome back to the space. I'm Bonnie Helen and I'm back again with a new video. Guys, there's something bothering me. I usually don't start my videos like this, but how can I be getting 200 views, 500 views and above? And I go down there, I see just 8 thumbs up. Like, I try my possible best to bring you people valuable content that can help you in your daily lives. And I'll be getting views and I go to my studio and it shows that you people are watching almost to the end, but no likes. Guys, please like the video so that YouTube can push out my content to other people who might be interested in content like this. So today we're going to be making Greek yogurt. Please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. We'll be making Greek yogurt. I have a lot of yogurt. I have about 2 yogurt videos on my channel. You can learn how to make normal yogurt. But today I want to make Greek yogurt. Like, I'm trying to go healthy, eat healthy, but still have something tasty. So I have half a kilo of milk and I'm using 2.5 liters of water for this production. You can use less, but I don't know. I just went extra and I use 2.5 liters of water. Normally you just go ahead and stir your milk so that you have no lumps. And second of all, I usually strain my milk. I'm not going to show all that process. If you want to see a video on that, you can check out my other yogurt videos. I'm going to leave an end screen, or I'll put up a card up there. I might as well leave a link down in the description box so that you can see. So I have mixed my milk, I have strained my milk, and that is the milk. What you're going to do is you're just going to add in your culture, your yogurt culture. And everybody knows I like douleur, but you can buy like culture from the market, a dry one, and you can add it. I love this one because it has all the benefits. It has stabilizers in it. It has preservative. It has the life active bacteria that help to ferment your milk and make it to be a yogurt. So I usually use this, but you can still make your own yogurt culture from scratch. Like I said, if you want to watch a video about that, just let me know and I'll teach you how to do your yogurt culture from scratch. That is, if you don't have the means to buy the douleur, or you don't have the means to buy any yogurt that has the probiotics and everything in it, I will make that video for you. So I'll just go ahead and wrap it up so that it will keep the heat, because you have to do this. Make sure your milk is warm, in fact hot, but not hot that it can burn your skin, right? Hot enough where you can put your hand inside, you count from 1 to 15 or 1 to 20 and it doesn't hurt. That is how hot you want it to be. Just wrap it and keep it in a dark place. Guys, I forgot that I was recording and I separated the batch to make one drinkable yogurt for my children and then this one for me, because normally they will not like this one because it's not sweet, because I'll not be adding any sugar or any sweetener or any flavoring in it. So I separated theirs and this is mine for my Greek yogurt. So now this is where you get your Greek yogurt. The one you see in the bowl is basic yogurt. Now, to have Greek yogurt, you are supposed to strain it. Use a cheesecloth, use your sieve, whatever that will strain water from it. Just go ahead and put it there. So I'm putting it in this cheesecloth, this chiffon thingy. That's what I use to squeeze most of my things. So I'll put it, and then it will still be inside another sieve. Make sure you put it somewhere that is suspended. That's why I'm going to use that bucket to like suspend it so that the water drains out of it. We want all this water out of our yogurt so that we can get our Greek thick yogurt. So you can keep it for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on how much water you added into your production. So that's that. My Greek yogurt is ready, guys. You see how thick this thing is. It's so thick. That's your Greek yogurt. You can go ahead and eat it with a lot of things. It's so rich. You see, but I didn't like the texture, so I'll just go ahead and I'll blend it off camera. You can use a hand whisk. I don't have a hand whisk, so I had to use my stick blender to like get the texture that I wanted. So if it is too thick, because now it's giving the consistency of cheese, cottage cheese, so you can go back and add the yogurt water you strained out. This yogurt water is good. You can use it to bake your cakes, you can use it to make your smoothies. Yeah, you can use it to blend your fruits and you drink. So don't throw it away, keep it in your refrigerator. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that water, and then I'm going to blend it to have the texture that I want. I don't like it too thick, but with this thick texture, you can like put it in your salad. You understand what I'm saying? This thick texture, you can put it in your salad, use it as a salad dressing. Yeah, but I just wanted to scoop it and eat it with my biscuits, with my oats biscuit. So I had to go ahead and then blend it. So yeah, this is the blended version. See how creamy, oh, how velvety it looks. That is how you do your Greek yogurt. You can go ahead if you want to add sweetener, flavor, or whatever, but I want it plain. Like baby girl is trying to start living a healthy lifestyle. So I'll just go ahead and put it into my bowl, for the purpose of putting inside the bowl so that I can take thumbnails for you people. Yeah, so that's our Greek yogurt. It's so rich, and this will cost you a fortune if you had to buy it. So I wanted to be extra, and then I make a pink one, so for the sake of aesthetics. Yeah, so that's our yogurt. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. You can do this in a large scale and do your business, make your yogurt parfait and the rest. Thanks for watching, and bye.